Hi, my name is Bindi. I'm a volunteer who helped at the BDA. This is Jefferson, our trip leader, who can explain Onda's stream restoration at Hay Creek.
This is a restoration project on 3 miles of Hay Creek in Cottonwood Canyon State Park, and we are restoring beaver habitat. This fall we'll put in 2,500 plants, and we build exclosures around them to protect them temporarily from deer and beaver until they're mature enough to withstand the browse pressure. The exclosure is a fence that excludes things out from an area. So while we are planting these plants for the benefit of wildlife, if wildlife gets into them and eats them too early, then they won't have a chance to grow and mature.